Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Buzz Cooks. We're in for a special treat today. I traveled to Los Angeles and spent some time with my best friend who's an amazing cook and chef. And today we're making
Orecchiette, Salsiccia e Piselli.
My buddy Joey is doing all the cooking and I'm shooting the camera. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this new meal that you're going to love. All right, we're going to start off with our ingredients. Pecorino cheese, Italian sausage, butter, diced onion, some garlic cloves, some cream, chicken broth, white wine, pasta, and some frozen peas. We're going to start off by cutting the Italian sausage, the casing, and taking the meat out of the casing. And once we get the sausage meat out of the casing, we're going to transfer that to our large frying pan. And on about medium heat, we'll start to brown that sausage. And as we brown the sausage, it's very important to break it up as much as you can into little tiny pieces.
Bite-sized pieces, like so it fits in those little ears in the shell itself. So you'll see by the time I'm done doing this, after it starts to harden up a little more,
Alright, now it's time to make a little well in the middle of the frying pan. And we're going to add our diced onion.
so
We
it's
used
nice in
a
that
half
juice
of one brown onion that we diced.
And it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, pieces can go up there and it's going to mix in and cook for a little bit.
And we'll get that all mixed up real nice with the sausage. And then we're going to add 3 to 4 cloves of good garlic right into the middle again. And once we get all the garlic in there, we're going to give it another good mix. About half a cup of white wine. And again, give it a good mix. Now our pasta water we're going to salt, and since we're in LA, Hollywood, you have to have that cinematic shot.
For a little of this thing.
And a little bit of chicken bone broth.
Nice.
You want to
I've
keep the
lowered
meat,
fire too a little bit.
onions, and garlic nice and moist. Add our pasta to the water, and we'll cook as the directions on the package say. About 8 minutes here. Give it a good spin. And about a quarter cup of heavy whipping cream. Give it another good mix. Now we add our frozen peas, about half a package. And always reserve some pasta water, which which we'll add a little now and probably a little later. Pasta water is going to help everything stick to the pasta. So we add our pasta that we strain right to our meat, and we start mixing that nice and slow. Get everybody in the pool. Now we add our pecorino cheese, pecorino romano cheese. Put that right on top, and we'll give it another good mix. And another cinematic shot, since we're in Hollywood, the slow-mo flip. Don't try this at home unless you're a professional, because you'll make a mess, trust me. Look at that. Boom! And you are ready to start plating. Oh, I forgot the butter. A couple tablespoons of butter that we're going to add as well. Then we mix and plate. Outstanding. Alright, I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank my best buddy Joey for making this a fantastic dish for us. You're going to enjoy it, trust me. And also remember to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Alright, make this one. It's delicious. Thank you again, everyone. Bye-bye.